In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up an EC2 instance on AWS. Creating a backup is crucial to ensure your data is safe and can be restored in case of any unforeseen issues. By following these steps, you'll be able to create an image of your instance effortlessly. Start by navigating to the EC2 dashboard. If you're new to AWS, the dashboard is your central hub for managing EC2 instances. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation sidebar. It's packed with options, but don't worry, we're focusing on one specific task today. Click on Instances. This is where you can view all the EC2 instances you have running. If you're managing multiple instances, this will give you a clear and organized grid view of everything you have set up. Now, from this directory grid, select the server you want to back up. It's important to make sure you've chosen the correct instance, especially if you're working with several. Double-check the instance ID and any tags you've previously set to confirm you're working with the right one. With your instance selected, look towards the top right of the dashboard screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Actions. Click on it. This menu is like a toolbox for your instance, offering a variety of management options. For our purpose today, hover over Image and Templates. A secondary menu will appear. From here, click on Create Image. This action will bring up a backup configuration layout form. Filling out this form correctly is key to ensuring your backup suits your needs. You'll need to provide a name for your image. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify the backup later, especially if you plan to create multiple backups over time. It might be helpful to include the date or the instance's role in the name. You'll also see fields for additional details, such as tags, which can be useful for organization and automation purposes later on. Once you've filled out the necessary information, go ahead and click on the Create Image button. This initiates the backup process. AWS will now start creating an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, of your instance. This process might take a few minutes depending on the size and complexity of your instance, but don't worry, you can continue with other tasks on AWS in the meantime. And that's it! You've successfully created a backup of your EC2 instance. Remember, having regular backups is a best practice for maintaining the integrity and security of your data. It's a simple step that provides peace of mind, knowing that you can restore your instance quickly if needed. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to back up an EC2 instance on AWS. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, consider checking out some of our other AWS tutorials to continue expanding your cloud computing skills. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud managing.